wrong page, ah. First, Lord in heaven, worship you, love you, and thankful to your parents, no fighting, and no getting angry to children or another persons. Share your word to another's. Or Arabs, you should share your words to know about Jesus, so they can know Jesus to go at the heaven be by the Holy Spirit. Let's be taker ourselves and pray always and worshiping God always, and for you and me, loving you, love your parents or your families. You should love your things. No more broken things. If broken, God will not you give and things. If you eat the food, not eating the food, God will not give you food. If you take care of your food, eating always, God will give you more and food. May isa pa. Newborn, get out and first day. They are